Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to learn how to install Audacity on your system. So we do have the Audacity website over here. We just need to go to PPA package for Audacity if you are using Ubuntu or Linux Mint. So I am using the same link as you do and just paste this. Click enter to continue. It will take a while. After that you want to type sudo apt-get update sudo apt-get install Audacity. Okay, this command you want to type it yourself and click enter It will take a while for you, but my internet speed is somewhat good. It's doing it faster. It will download a file for 12.5 MB. It will take some time for installation, so make sure you give it its own time for doing that. So that's how we have installed our Audacity our system. Let us check with the command. I don't know whether it will work or not, but let me check. So it has started its process. Okay, there are many problems our system. So like that we do have opened our Audacity. Let me go to our search bar and try to get Audacity. So we do get our Audacity. So do the process over here. I don't know whether to make a music song or anything, but make sure you share this video with your friends and comment over this video and subscribe and click on the bell icon so you will get updates. Thanks for watching. See you soon.